Hi there! You've probably heard about all the amazing benefits of taking a turmeric supplement. Turmeric can be so great for so many different things in our bodies. I mean, it supports heart health, brain health, joints. It's also a really powerful antioxidant and it's very anti-inflammatory. So it's great for your skin. It can even treat stomach ulcers and so many more things. But there's a catch, and that's that unfortunately, turmeric is not very easily absorbed by our bodies. What this means is that it can make it difficult for our bodies to reap all of these amazing benefits. But we've also found that when you combine turmeric with black pepper extract and ginger, that it increases the bioavailability, or your body's ability to process and absorb and reap the benefits of turmeric, by 2,000%. It's incredible, and that's why I love this supplement from Going Vegan, their turmeric, because it includes black pepper seed extract and turmeric to make sure that your body can really use all of those benefits from turmeric. And it's not just a wasted supplement, it's something that you are really breaking down and using and benefiting from. It's also a giant big bottle. It's a 3-month supply, great value, and it meets the greatest standards. Every time I look for a supplement, I have a few things that I really want to make sure of, and one is that it is non-GMO, and I also want something that's organic and all natural. Going Vegan, non-GMO, all natural, organic, and it meets the highest standards in manufacturing. It's so important to me. That's why I think that this is just the greatest turmeric supplement on the market from Going Vegan. I've loved the benefits that it's had in my life, and I think you will too. It's highly recommended.